Told us John is faced with a dangerous virus at an early age.
Yes, Ram. They can eventually spread and spread to children who are full for 30 days. Hi Ram, how many days have you seen it?
I am fine at the moment, John. And you?
Fine. What Ram?
As you know, the John, coronavirus continues to grow day by day, causing many deaths.
Yes, Ram. Has so far killed over 1 lakh people across the world and over 500 in our India.
Told us John is faced with a dangerous virus at an early age.
Yes, Ram. They can eventually spread and spread to children who are full for 30 days. This coronavirus is difficult for adults to tolerate.
What John all this is after a lot of hard work. Before the end of independence, if you want to calm down, something annoying is coming up with a new virus.
Yes, Ram. There are 10 to 20 viruses we know so far and many more.
All this is just money, as seen in many movies for which they can get forged on.
What is real Ram? Money, money. It is greater than human life but can rise the dead.
It's all the same, not that John. Death is so much more than a man's life that money can't carry a single rupee when he dies.
In other countries who are fighting the spread of coronavirus in our country, the police, doctors must congratulate to everyone who is fighting for it.
Yes, John is one of these guys that really working hard.
But if the coronavirus brings us quickly possible, then we'll have to pay for the debts that have so far gone.
John, how will still have their family going to work today?
Yes, Ram. We need those who are struggling with one meal at a time. It should be a one meal.
Surely John should help those who don't have at least 100 rupees out of the 1000 we have.
People who are not afflicted and not infected by this coronavirus will never be happy to spend time with family.
Yes, John is not someone whose work they are busy every day and who really cares about the family.
Due to this lockdown, sound pollution, air pollution, road accidents, expenses are always helpful for those of us who don't care for ourselves. Good communication with everyone in the family. All this is really good for following the Q method at a given time.
Yes, John, but it's a very sad. If this virus is suffering for a few days and does not cause death.
Let us pray to God to help us much as possible to get down on that as quickly possible.
Certainly, John, stay at home, be safe.